Forget that. Howdy ho, Arkansas Pilgrim here again. This is an update on my Gladiator challenge for Grow from the Grocery. And it's not only going to have Johnny Boy, Johnny Redneck, Redneck Johnny, Johnny Redneck Boy, Redneck Johnny Boy, whatever. Yeah, him. But not only him, but the entire team Will It Grow shaking in their boots. Remember, I'm going to be growing some cantaloupe and some little sweet peppers. So let's just see how they are coming on like gangbusters. As you can see, my sweet peppers are just kicking tail and taking names. Yeah, these are actually doing pretty good, and then I moved them, and actually if you check out my rant video, I've had so much stuff going on. I moved these from where I was keeping them, and then I forgot about them, and so, hey, here they are. I tried to resuscitate them, but they're toast. So, well, as we make our way through the undergrowth and overgrowth here, they're here somewhere. Oh, yeah, there. I think that's it anyway. And there's another. Yeah, there are. Here's just blowing around my weed things. Anyway, yeah. Here are my cantaloupes, and I am only going to use two. I'm going to use the two, according to the challenge, that are at the far end here. The first two in the line of where I planted. But hey, they're actually growing, even though I think that's a weed. And actually, that's also my shadow. Geez, great gardening technique, great camera technique. Anyway, they are still growing. They're not dead. I guess actually living, whether they produce or not, I guess got to change my level of expectation, or maybe change my level of what I'm. What I consider progress. Actually not dead. That's what a level to strive for. Anyway, that was just hopefully an amusing update on my Gladiator challenge. God bless y'all. See you next time.